Hi, I'm Anna and I'm recording this video to tell you everything you need to know about this amazing product called Dentitox Pro. But before I start, I have an important alert to make. Please be careful where you buy Dentitox Pro from. There is only one official website, so please pay close attention to the scams out there. I've seen people buying Dentitox Pro at non-official website, not receiving the product or their money back. Okay, so to help you, I'll leave the link to the only official website here below the description of my video. If you think that mouth and tooth health and hygiene is really important, this video is for you. Most people really like candies and sweets, and we all know that with the time, it can cause tooth cavity problems. But Dentitox Pro can help with it. What is Dentitox Pro and how does it help? It is a supplement that contains every vitamin and mineral that your tooth shall need and keeps teeth healthy and strong, so you don't need to worry about cavity or decay problems later on. But the benefits are not only this. You shall also get a natural shine on your tooth, and the whitening of the teeth happens as well as you are using it. Dentitox Pro have the primary ingredients that are a combination of natural ingredients and vitamins such as phosphorus, calcium, vitamin D, and so others. I'm not an expert on this, so you can take a look on the official website to check them all in detail. People that are actually taking Dentitox Pro as recommended by the manufacturers are having amazing results. They say that their teeth are stronger and lighter, and the breath is much better since the first weeks. They could notice this difference. It is recommended to take 2 portions each day with a glass of water or juice. I know that in order to keep having this and better results and a complete treatment, it is recommended the 180-day pack. With it, you also have an amazing discount of $20 on each bottle and also free shipping. The product is made in the USA in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility. Dentitox Pro is non-GMO and safe because it does not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and more importantly, they are not habit-forming, so there are no side effects. I'm pretty sure you won't regret of your purchase, but if for any reason you do so or you don't like the results, you can always claim for your money back with 100% guarantee during 60 days. You can also check the refund process on the official website. So this is what I have to say about this product. If you have further questions, feel free to leave it on the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.